Welcome to the 3-ball juggling workshop. Today we'll be learning how to juggle with 3 balls. So we can't learn to juggle if we're all tensed up, so let's just relax our fingers, give your hands a little shake and have a little yawn and stretch. Maybe you've just got out of bed, I don't know, or maybe I'm imagining that. Just roll your shoulders a little bit and take a deep breath. And have a nice yawn again and stretch up. Okay, we're going to take a deep breath in and lift our shoulders up, straight up to the sky. Breathe out, drop them halfway. Breathe fully out and drop them all the way down. Breathing in, breathing out and dropping halfway, and breathing out a little bit more. Do that again. One more time. Give your hands another shake. Maybe give your feet a shake. Maybe give your whole body a little wiggle. Okay, when we're learning to juggle, stand with your feet slightly apart rather than crossed or sitting down. It just makes it much easier. So we don't want to be doing that. Just put your feet slightly apart, bend your knees slightly. And now imagine that there is a little angel up there in heaven. And it's a fishing angel, like a gnome, fishing gnome, that's right. And it's cast its line down, it's got a hook on the bottom. The hook hooks into the top of your head. Fishing angel senses a catch and it's reeling you in. So you're being pulled up by the top of your head. Remember your knees, they're still slightly bendy, still not tense, but bendy. But the fishing angel is reeling you in and you're being stretched up by the top of your head. That's nice. My back's nicely stretching there. But there's a little devil down there in hell and he's hooked your bottom and he's pulling you down. So you're being stretched between, keep your knees slightly bent, but you're being stretched between the devil in hell and the little fishing angel up there in heaven. Just feeling that. Put your hands out like this and we're ready to learn to juggle. You've probably got some juggling balls. If you haven't, roll up some socks and get started. So we're going to take one of our juggling balls, put it in one hand. It doesn't matter which hand. We're going to throw the ball straight up. It goes up to about head height and it's going to come down in the other hand. And if the throw is really good, I shouldn't need to move that hand, the catching hand, very much at all in order to catch it. I'm going to try that throw now. Throw up and down in the other hand, and up and down in the other hand, and up and down in the other hand. Most people can probably do this fairly easy, but the more we practice this, especially getting the throw perfect, so it almost drops straight into the other hand, the easier the next stages are going to be. So just do this for a little bit. Remember to relax those knees and keep throwing. If you're having to catch up there like that, or you're catching out here like this, then your throws aren't landing in quite the right place. If that's happening, just concentrate on trying to get those throws a little better. So it goes up and down, straight down into the other hand. So the catches are really easy catches. Okay, we're going to move on. We're going to move to step 2 and we're going to pick up another juggling ball. 2 balls, 2 hands. What's going to happen right now is step 2, I'm going to throw the first juggling ball, just like I did, goes exactly the same place, up to the top. And as it's coming down, I'm going to throw the second juggling ball, also up to the same place. It's really important, both balls always go up to the top, just like that first throw we were practicing. So one ball goes up, when it gets to the top and starts coming down, I throw the second ball, one after the other. And right now, I'm not going to worry about catching, so I'm just going to drop them. So I'm going to throw 1, 2, they're both going to go up one after the other, and then I'm going to drop them. We should hear them go thud, thud on the ground. 1, 2, thud, thud. Are you ready for this? Here we go. 1, 2. And there they are. They've landed right there in front of my feet. Let's try that again. So here we go. Throw, throw, drop, drop. Let's try that again. Throw, throw, drop, drop. Now, the throws are going to be best when they land right in front of my feet. I'll show you sometimes when you're learning, they don't land right in front of your feet, so they might do something like this. Throw, throw, and there's that second ball right over there, out of the way, where I'm not going to be able to catch it unless I'm running after it. Next time you do it, try and make that second throw come in a little bit closer like this. Throw, throw. There we go, it's slightly closer. Where we want it to be is right in front of my feet. Throw, throw, drop, drop. There they are. They've crossed over in the air. They've dropped on the ground. Okay, once I'm happy with the throw, throw, drop, drop, and I feel they're landing in front of my feet, both balls have gone up to the top. They've come down one after the other. Drop, drop. I'm going to try and catch them. Throw, throw with a catch and a catch. So again, really important right now that both throws go up to about head height, one after the other. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Let's try that again. Throw, throw, catch, catch. And one more time. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Now, nearly all of us have a dominant hand, a left hand dominant or right hand dominant. If you're finding this difficult, I would especially say try starting with your non-dominant hand. So for me, I'm left-handed. I'm going to try starting with my right hand. So I'm going to go throw, throw, catch, catch. Try starting with your non-dominant hand. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Because when I'm learning to do juggling, I'm only going to be as good as my non-dominant hand. So really working on starting with your non-dominant hand will help that. Once you've got throw, throw, catch, catch, and you're fairly confident, you can do that starting with either dominant or non-dominant hand. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Then we're ready to move on to the next step, putting in a third ball. You'll have noticed up till now, the pattern isn't flowing. It's throw, throw, catch, catch, stop. Throw, throw, catch, catch, stop. I'm not trying to throw, throw, and throw, throw again quick, because that's not how juggling is going to work, okay? I'm going to pick up the third ball and we'll do the next step. So I've now got 3 balls in my hand. Now for beginning this bit, whichever hand feels most comfortable, put the 2 balls in that hand, and that's going to be my starting hand. So this is ball number 1, and here we've got ball number 2. I'm going to go 1, 2, catch, catch, just like I've been doing. The only difference being that I'm holding ball number 3 right here in my hand. So let's try that. Throw, throw, catch, catch. I'll swap them back over. Throw, throw, catch, catch. And we've already done the throw, throw, catch, catch. The only difference is the third ball is there, getting ready for its own throw. So this time, I'm going to do throw, throw. And as ball number 2 is coming down, I'm going to try and throw ball number 3. I'm not going to worry about where it goes for now. I'm just going to try and get it out of my hand, ready for catch number 2. So here we go. Throw, throw, and throw number 3 as ball number 2 is coming down. We'll try that again. Throw, throw, as the throw, throw. There's the second ball coming down. Throw number 3 and get it out of the way. What we want to do is make that third throw, ball number 3, as good a throw as possible, which means I'll go 1, 2, and then the third throw will come up to the top as well and land in the other hand. So we'll try that. Throw, throw, and throw. There we go, the third ball landed down there. Let's just try that again. Throw, throw, and throw. And after that, it is a question of really practicing, doing it over and over. If you're getting stuck on this and it's all not working, just go back a step. Go back to the throw, throw, catch, catch, and make sure that that is really comfortable. If that's not comfortable, go back another step, throw, throw, just drop them. Get the throws right so they're landing right in front of your feet. They're going up nice and high. They land in front of your feet, then the catches, if the throws are good, the catches will be easy. Throw, throw, catch, catch. Now let's try this third ball again. Here we go. We go 1, 2, we throw number 3. As number 3 goes up, number 1 will already be in this hand waiting, and then I throw that one, and then the pattern can flow. Let's have a look. 1, 2, there's number 3, and we're back to a flowing, well, we're off to a flowing pattern. Let's just try that again. I'm going to 1, 2, 3, and then the first ball goes again, and then it flows. 1, 2, 3. Probably making this look very easy, but I have been doing this a long time. Put in the practice and you should be able to get it. One more time, here we go. 1, 2, 3. Remember, give yourself a shake out a bit. When we're doing those stretches at the beginning, you know your body, make sure you're in a space around you. Don't do anything, don't stretch your body and hurt it. Look after yourselves and have a great time learning to juggle. Thank you very much.